Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings. So let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll all the way down to find more security and privacy, and here tap on install apps from external sources. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from a specific website. Therefore we need to find this app in this list and tap on it, and then tap on allow apps app installs. Tap on this switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.